We did it. It's like that meme. We did it, guys. We finally hit 600 subscribers. But thank you, and in return, I'm going to show you where the magic happens. Follow me. Click. So, this is where the magic happens. This is everything that I own. Right here in view. There she is. More specifically, Extreme Ownership, A General Theory of Love, Xbox I Never Use, Best Album Ever Made, Family Photo on Instagram if you follow me, Goodwill Clock, still worked, $2, Family Photo, actually that's my sister's family photo, but sister's fiance family photo. That is me, watch, better Ray-Bans, shout out Joe, cigarettes. I need my sneakers smell, let's be real. That's for a foundation. I just got that hat. This is the clothes. There are some things in laundry, but they all fit on 2 shelves and 7 hangers. That's the laundry area. I still need to get a hamper for that. A broken record player. And this is what you want if you're working out. Tool area. Various, I think this is for like antenna TVs. I haven't set that up yet. Oh, check this out. I've been meaning, I want to post some vintage looking photos. I hear that's pretty trendy. VHS area. Debit cards that Ally calls my account. Fuck you, Ally. What else? Oh, I got this webcam, so I can do like at the desk stuff. So let me know if you guys want to see that. There's the channel. 600. Thank you guys. That's so cool. That's there because they gave me 2 copyright strikes in about 2 minutes, and if I got a third, I would have been yeeted off the internet. So desk phone, very, very important. There's the time. That's the server. And that's pretty much it. This is where the magic happens. This is kind of, different from my normal content. But if we want to turn it into a Q&A, what is your favorite color? Good question. Jedi blue. What is your favorite TV show? Mad Men. What is your favorite movie? Interstellar. What is your favorite person in the world? That's such a tough question. I'm so glad you asked. I don't know. Alan Turing. What is your favorite brand? That's such a tough question because I hate all brands. Probably my brand. Favorite motto, though, or slogan, is just do it, Nike. That is the best in the world. Thank you guys so much. Bye.